Well, everybody, you probably are asking why am I going online on YouTube? It is because just recently I discovered Linux Mint 22.3, the beta version. I installed it on my current computer I'm using right now, which is the Apple A1418. Now, Apple 1418 is something from 2012, and obviously it's considered the older computer, but it's actually a very good computer and it's an all-in-one computer. And certainly you can go and install the not simulation of Windows on it, but you can actually install actually Windows itself and get rid of Apple operating system. And the reason you should be doing that is because Apple always want you to buy a new machine. So after a while, they don't support your old operating system on this old Macs, whereas they're really actually very good computers. What I did actually is to install a SSD on this computer. And I've done like hundreds of these computers for my business with the Windows 10. I don't like Windows 11 much because it comes with lots of limitation. Every version of Windows, it takes your choices away. But I discovered that actually you can install Windows, instead of Windows, you can install Linux Mint 22.2 or 22.3, which is the beta version, which is a fantastic operating system, gives you all the opportunities, and actually it let your computer go much farther. Now, there is a problem. The sound system may not be working. And I'm just going to see if I can share with you how I fixed the problem with the operating system not recognizing the sound system. And the fix is actually pretty simple. I just have to going to share my window with you here. And as you see, first you have to go to set up a few things there. Here, you have to start actually editing this file, which is practically the file how sound system with the operating system should work with the operating system. And if I go there, you see you just have to come down to the very bottom line. And as you see in the bottom line, you just have to change the model. If it's Intel 1 or something else, you just have to change it to the MBP. This is Nano. If you don't know, the Nano is an editing program, very powerful editing program for all Linux have that. At this point, once you have accepted that, you have to Control O and then it asks you if you want to save it, and then you press Enter, and then Control X to exit it, and then you practically after that you reboot the computer, and then the sound system will work again. So if you have this problem as well and you want to install this on this powerful computer, here is the steps you need to take to make it really work. I hope that helps you for few of your problem. If you are going to install Linux Mint Cinnamon version on your computer, it's a very powerful program, and I'm just going to show you as well the Surface, which is very desktop oriented. And here we go. I want you to see now that it's very desktop oriented. One of the first things I did, I installed Google Chrome because lots of things I use a lot of Google Chrome, the resources like Google Sheet, Google Doc, and so on, and Google Drive. And it's a very fantastic system that enables you to do a lot of things, even if you are not Linux versed and you don't work with so-called terminals. And by the way, after you install it, you probably want to test the speakers, and that you use that speaker -test -c space 2 space -t wave, which practically
left,
front, right,
it let you
left,
front,
test all the
right,
different
front,
sides.
left.
Okay, I hope that is. If you have a question, you can put it in the comment, and I'm happy to answer them.